Okay, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into parabolas. So until now, you guys have really focused on parabolas. In this sense, I put it on the bottom right corner. It's that f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a doesn't equal 0. That's where you guys really focused on, was parabolas in, the standard form, that, and then vertex form. So we're going to get into parabolas going left to right, or facing left or facing right, and then facing up and facing down. Until now, you guys have really only focused on facing up and facing down, but we're going to look a lot more into the building of it. Whereas those videos that you guys watched on the Ed puzzle, it kind of explained how these come about. So we're going to look at this right here. First off, we have a locus. That's a set of all our points that fulfill a geometric property. So that's the set of everything that's in here. So the parabola represents the locus of points in the plane that are equidistant from a fixed point and then equidistant from a specific line, which is called a directrix. The parabola is symmetric along the perpendicular line. So you have the directrix and then you have the focus, and they're together you can make a perpendicular line with that. And that's our axis of symmetry. So you guys have seen this in a couple different ways. The axis of symmetry you've seen before. You know it's symmetric. You know you have, it's what's on the left is what's on the right. But now we're going to get into these building pieces. So there's certain things within this to eyeball that I think help conceptually when you guys go to get into building these things. So you've got the focus, and then you've got the directrix. The vertex is directly in the middle of the focus and directrix. And then after that, any point on my, I'll go yellow. Any point on my parabola, no matter where I stop, it's going to be equidistant to the focus and then down to a perpendicular with the directrix. So that means it's making that perfect right angle. So no matter where you grab it, say I grab it over here and then build it over the focus, that's going to be equal distance to that perpendicular line that I dropped down. Okay, so we're going to get into formulas and how to build them, but we're going to look at generic equations of building up and down and side to side, and how we can find these equations using things like the distance formula.